Hello guys, in this video I want to do the unboxing of the newly released Pixel Watch. I ordered this Pixel Watch with my Pixel 7 Pro, which I'm making the video with this device right now. And let's start with unboxing to see how the Pixel Watch looks like. The model which I have here has a polished silver chassis with charcoal armband. Charcoal is gray, let's say. It's like a dark, I would not say it's a dark gray, but it's also not a light gray or something in between. I have also here my current smartwatch. It's the Samsung Gear Sport smartwatch. It was released in 2017, late 17, and it's been now almost 5 years, I would say, that I'm using this. I like this ring that you can move it, and it's really nice, but it has some drawbacks. So I wanted to something that works good with my Pixel device, and the problem with the Samsung is that the software in the old smartwatches was Tizen, and they don't then have that much applications that you could use that much. So now I waited for the Pixel Watch. I'm happy about it. I wish it was a little bit bigger than this. The screen is slightly smaller than what I would like. I would like to be a little bit, let's say 44mm instead of 41mm. But generally it looks really polished, that's for sure. It's really premium. It feels really solid in the hand. It doesn't bother me also because the size is a little bit small, so you don't feel it that much. But generally it feels really good on the hand, on your wrist. So let's click on this crown here to start the device. Generally you have the crown here which you can rotate, you can click, and there have also one button for the UI. And then you have two small buttons to eject the armbands here, which I will show you guys how it looks like. Also inside of the box, of course, you have the charging cable here, an extra armband, this is the longer armband here, longer than the one it's on the Pixel Watch right now. And there is a small wireless charging cable. It's a USB-C cable, as I remember from the reviews that I checked. And I'm trying to here to get it out. It's a little bit messy. I don't know if I do it wrong or the packaging is a little bit weird. I feel like I'm ruining the whole package here, but let's see if I can get it out of here. Now I have it. It has a slight, for sure, some magnet. It has also Google's logo there. I can now check it if the magnet is strong there. I really doubt that. I saw it in the reviews that the magnet was not that strong. Let's see. Now you guys also see the sensors on the bottom of the Pixel Watch here. Let's try the magnet. Yeah, it's really weak. You cannot hold it. I wish they make it a little bit stronger. I don't know why they don't do that. In Germany you can get the Pixel Watch in two different variants, Wi-Fi only and with LTE. I got the LTE model here, and you can also get three different chassis colors: chrome, matte black, and polished silver, with 4 different kind of armbands. There are so many other armbands, but you have to pay extra for them, and you can buy them from the Google store. Pixel Watch has 32GB of storage and 2GB of RAM. It has a 10nm processor, Exynos 9110 from Samsung. It has Bluetooth, it has GPS, and it has also the NFC for the payments. And for the sensor, it has so many different sensors, from, for example, the heart rate sensor, and also compass, and also the oxygen saturation can be measured in the blood using this sensor. I have a little bit hard time removing these armbands, and I think I pressed the wrong button here. The button that I'm pressing is from the UI button to go to the recent apps, and I have to figure this out how it works. I think I have to go behind the cameras and try this out to learn it. It's not as easy as some YouTubers, so you have to a little bit practice. So now I figured out how it works. There's a small button here beside the armband here in both sides, and you have to first press that, and after the pressing it, you have to a little bit move it in the other direction. Let's say here, to move it in the left, or let's say rotate it in the left direction, and then you can take it out. But putting it back on is more difficult. Actually, taking it out is a little bit easier. So you have to use your two hands like this and then put it in. Somehow it goes in without that you realize that it's vented. There is not that much of a click there. I wish it was a little bit more clicky there. So you have to a little bit practice there. And I think the Pixel 7 Pro here has some difficulty with focusing on the object in this video. So this is also a sample how the Pixel 7 Pro's camera works here. That's also my first time making a video with this device. I don't want to talk about the software features in this video because I don't know also how it exactly works. So if I turn it on, I will be also confused and I will confuse you guys more. For now, I can say that the chassis here looks good. The build quality is really premium. It feels really nice in the hand. I like the colors here. The only thing that I wish it was different was the size. I wish it was 44mm. The Samsung Gear Sport, which I have here, is 44mm. But the screen quality is much better in the Pixel Watch here. I can't wait to use the WearOS here and compare it to the Tizen that I used with the Samsung Gear Sport. The problem with the Tizen was the app support, and here with the WearOS I hope that will be fixed. So that was it for this video, and catch you guys on the next one.